What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever part of the world you're watching me from and the time you're watching video. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uche Gospel, and I am a forex trader. So, guys, on my last video, I made a post analysis about my trade on gold last week, right? So, I showed my trade. I showed you guys how I entered and how I exited. The reason I entered and why I exited those trades. So in today's video, I just want to be showing you guys my lookout for the week, right? So my lookout for the week on gold, right? If gold is going to, what position am I looking to trade, right? So guys, without any further ado, but before I go right into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when I post another amazing video. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is currently my chart on XAUSD. This is what I have here on gold, right? So I'll go ahead to clear these charts because this is from the previous week. Then I want to be showing you guys what I'm looking out for on this particular pair, right? So as you guys already know, gold is a very volatile pair, right? So if you're going to be catching gold, if you're going to be trading gold, you need to be a sniper guy. You need to have a precise entry, right? You have to know what you're looking out for to be able to get in and out of gold. So guys, as you can see last week, according to our 4 hours time frame, you can see that gold surged down, right? It went all bearish. Gold went down, like it dropped, right? So you can see right here, and currently I can proudly say that we are in a downward trend. What do I mean? So you can see that over here we had this high, had this low, had this high, had this low. Then we had a break of structure, right? Breaking this zone right here. Then we had a lower high, then we have a higher high, then we had a lower high, and then we have this higher high. So you can see this is what we have on gold previously, right? So we have break of structure to the upside, but during the course of last week, we had this break of structure right here. As you all can see, we have this break of structure right here on gold, meaning that gold is apparently changing its course of movement to a bearish trend. Gold is changing its trend to become bearish. But before we determine that, let's go over to the weekly time frame. I want to show you guys something on the weekly time frame. So guys, this is on the weekly time frame. What do I see here? Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a double top formation on the weekly time frame. And once you see a double top formation on the higher time frame, you know that you will take this more serious than any other thing that you are seeing on the lower time frame. So this is already showing me that in the course of next week and maybe next 2 weeks, I'll be looking for I'll be looking for more of sales on gold, more of short positions on gold than buys. Even if I'm going to buy gold, I'll be doing it maybe like in a short period of time then, but overall direction of the market is now telling me that it's about to go bearish. So what am I seeing here on the weekly? Let's start our analysis now. So guys, over here on the weekly, I'm seeing this zone right here. As you guys already know, I like trading gold from one zone to another. So what I'm trading on gold works in all time frame, right? It works in the higher time frame, works in the lower time frame, it works even in the 5 minutes time frame, right? So you can see we have this zone right here, but before that we have this high right here. Let me mark the high out, and you can see that I'm using the body of the candle, not the wicks, right? I'm using this body right here. I'm using this body right here. Sorry, and then I'm using this body right here, right? Then I can see another one around here. So let me mark it out. Let me explain what I mean by I'm marking out all these levels, right? So let me explain, guys. So what what I just marked out, the information is passing to me now is that what I'm expecting gold to do is gold should drop from this level now to this level, right? If gold reacts from this level, that means it might come back to this level. But if gold breaks this level, right, we might see a retracement to this level, then we're expecting gold to drop to this level straight up. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So gold might drop to this level. Once gold breaks this what will I call it, this neckline that I just marked out, then it's dropping to this zone right here. And if it breaks this zone, then it's dropping to this one below here. It's dropping probably to this one below here. So that is just it. But currently, I'm just focusing on what these ones around here, so that I won't confuse myself, right? So let me use my horizontal rays to mark it out. Let me use my horizontal ray. So because this on the higher time, this from the higher time frame, I won't use trend line to the trend line to mark it out. Why? So that because I know that gold won't just come and tap in here and start dropping, right? It will react. You have a reaction on the 4 hour, reaction on the 1 hour, right? And you just don't want to set a pending order right there. So that is why I'm marking it out with a horizontal ray instead of a trend line. So this is the first one. This is the second one below here. I'm not mistaken. And then this is the third one below here. Yeah, guys. So what does this mean? Why am I taking this zone? Why am I taking here instead of taking above here? Gold might come to this zone, right, and react. But overall, this is where I'm expecting it to drop to. This is where I'm expecting it to drop to because of this kind of break of zone. You can see it just broke with one candle. So that is just it. So with this information being held at hand, let's go down to the daily time frame. Let's see what the market is actually saying. So guys, with this now, I'm not focusing currently on this zone around here. I'm not focusing on this. My focus is what is here around this one from here to this zone, right? So let's digest what is going on there. What's the market currently doing? So guys, from the daily, you can see that market had this bearish move, like heavy bearish move, heavy bearish drop last week, right? You can see it dropping to where? To this zone above here. This uh, 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 previous neckline, because I'll call it a neckline because that's the neckline that got broken for that upward movement to what to resume. Then see right here. So this is where gold reacted, came down to, it's coming down to, right? And you can see that gold is already reacting. Right? You might have a little bit of short before that long comes in, right? Let me identify this as the daily zone. So you can see that this is from our daily zone. Now, with this now, I'm expecting gold to what? React here. I'm expecting gold to react at this zone, right? And then pull back up a little bit. So where am I expecting it to pull to? I'm expecting it to pull to this zone, not this zone around here. This zone, right? I'm expecting it to drop to this, to pull back to this zone at least. So let me put up a daily zone there too. So guys, you can see the way I'm breaking this down little by little, so I don't get confused and you guys too don't get confused. So right, this means that once I see a bullish confirmation pattern right here, what do I mean by bullish confirmation? Maybe on my 1 hour I saw a neckline retracement break of that neckline, right? I'll be entering at the retracement to what target this zone above here because I know that is where the market will be what reacting at again before it continues its what its downward what trend, right? So this is from the daily. You can see the zones I'm targeting. I'm expecting the market to drop to this zone, and I'm expecting the market to sell from this zone, right? If the market now breaks this zone, that means it's coming back way above here. Let me place this above here. Yep. So this is it. This is it, guys. So with this in mind, let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down to 4 hours. So one thing you should know is whenever you make an analysis, most of the times your 4 hours should be correlating with your daily time frame. I mean your daily should be correlating with your 4 hours, right? So whatever zones you see on the 4 hours or on the daily, after marking them out and you go to the daily and you notice that there are some things that are missing, right? Like maybe if I marked out this zone and then I came back and I'm seeing that the zone I marked out is maybe I'm at the middle of the whole consolidation, right? Or the whole retracement. Then I'll start looking out for how to place my what orders. Or I'll go down to the 1 hour to confirm that zone, right? So you can already see what I'm seeing here. You can see although we have a bit of zones around here, right? But I won't be focusing on that zone. Though I might mark it out as my TP1. If this market should start buying, right? Mark it out. I'll take the top, not the bottom. Take this top right here. But I'll show you guys why maybe I won't be focusing that much on this zone. I will show you guys why I won't be focusing that much on this zone because of what I will show you on the 1 hour. So you can see that this is already making sense. But on my 4 hours, this is what I'm seeing. I believe you guys can see it too. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this zone. And then you can see that from here now, this zone has already been tested. See that? See what I just did? So making this zone a complete what? Perfectly placed zone right now, right? So this from the 4 hours. Let me mark it 4 hours. 4 hours. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So you can see that this is now the 4 hours neckline or the 4 hours zone, right? So what am I expecting with this? What am I expecting with this? Let me explain to you guys what I'm expecting from my 4 hours. So you can see that from the weekly we're expecting a sell, but from the daily we're expecting a what? A retracement, and we are expecting to maximize that retracement in order to catch the what? Sell, because we're expecting market to retrace then before the sell will resume, right? So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting market to break this zone, retrace back to this zone, which will be my entry, and then push up to back to this zone. So this is what I'm expecting to take my entry and then take my exit around this zone, right? Although this is the 4 hours, so but I will still be showing you guys. So although this is the 4 hour, but this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. If the market should break this zone, then it should be coming to this one above here. Though I don't believe the market. I don't think the market will break this zone. I don't think so. But if it does break, right, depending on the type of retracement we have, right, the retracement I'm most scared of, guys, the retracement you should be most scared of, the retracement you should be most scared of is retracements that are forming higher highs and higher lows, right? Say this market wants to retrace and you start seeing something like maybe it is now pushing up from here, you are seeing something like this on your 1 hour, on your 1 hour or your 4 hours, right? Not at the lower time frame, you see something like this. Guys, you should be scared of this, right? Because this can fake you out. Maybe to just behave like it wants to go down, come down to this support zone, then what? Breaks it back up. Or even right, then breaks it to the upside again. So because for me, I want to see a straight retracement. I want to see the market pushing back up there immediately, right? So, but I will pay attention to this zone. Let me flag them. Let me flag them. I'll pay attention to this zone right here. Maybe I'll target as my TP1. Then once the market breaks this zone, then I'm targeting it. Or I'll enter two positions using 0.5, right? 0.05, sorry, 0.05 into 2. And I'll take one profit here and I'll take the rest of the profit above here. Why? So that I'll make sure that what I'm trying to maximize my profit. I'm trying to make it to make it every possible means to make sure that I don't get knocked out, right? Or I don't see all this profit, then it turns into loss. So you can see this is on the 1 hour, guys. This is on the 1 hour. This is what I'm saying. This is why I said that I think this market might be coming back to this zone because of this kind of high, this type of high. Although the market might retrace from here or retrace from wherever the 4 hours is, but guys, pay attention. Let me mark it to red. Let me put it with red. So I will know that it's a danger zone, right? I know that it's a danger. There's danger around there, guys. Danger, heavy danger around there. You know, not this red, right? So I can name it TP1. Let me put it TP1, right? So guys, with this being said, now you can see that everything is cleared out, right? So I'm expecting more of what? Buy, more of a buy. But in case the market breaks to the downside, what am I expecting? If the market breaks this low, right? And I see a retracement back to this low right here, right? What am I expecting? Not to short it to this zone, but to short it to this zone right here. So I'll be shorting it to this zone right here, particularly. This zone right here. Let me get this. Let me use this. Let me use this. This zone right here. This I'm expecting to drop. You can see this is also a good trade. This is also a good trade. Let me show this. So this is also a good trade. This is also a good trade, guys. This is like 200 pips to take profit and 50 pips stop loss. Guys, you know my stop loss is at least 50 pips. At least it can be greater than 50 pips. It can be greater than, it can even be up to 100 pips, but at least 50 pips, because I know that gold is very, very volatile, right? It's very volatile, at least for this period. There are days that we use 25 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, but for this period, gold is very, very volatile. You might not believe, but this might be up to 1,000 pips, right? Let's measure it. Let's measure it from this zone, right, to this zone. You can already see this is up to, okay, this is 800 pips. right? So gold is very volatile this period. So I'll be taking this with extreme what care. So let me go down to my 1 hour. You can see. So guys, what am I expecting? Once my 1 hour candle comes and closes above this zone, guys, listen. Once my 1 hour candle comes and closes above that 4 hour zone, with full body, not with weak, not like this, not like this, with full body, right? With full body, right? Then I'll be looking to what place my pending orders because guys, that's what I like most. I love to place my pending orders. Then I can go do whatever I want to do, right? Then I'll be placing my pending orders here. Once market traces back to this one, then I'll be getting triggered in. How do I place my pending order? Immediately I see the first break, right? I go down to my 15 minutes, right? I go down to my 15 minutes. Then this is how I'll be placing the order. I just place my order around here. Stop loss using market order. My stop loss can be 60 pips. Then I will calculate it. I will use my FX book calculator to calculate it, right? Or I'll use the fire pips calculator to calculate it. Then I'll calculate it to know my stop loss zone. Then I'll be targeting around TP1 here. Guys, don't forget this. TP1 will be here, and that is one is to 3. Sorry, that is one is to 4, using 50 pips. So this one is to 4, and this one is to what? One is to 6, one is to 7. Wow. So guys, this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. But I'm more bullish than bearish. I'm more bullish than bearish. I'm more bullish than bearish. Oh, I want to keep an open mind, but I'm more bullish than bearish. Why? Because I'm at a zone. You can see this zone right here. I see the support zone. This is a support zone that the market is currently at, right? So I'm more bullish than bearish. I'm expecting the market to react, right, before we drop again. So that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. I believe I made this very clear. You can also see that we have a break of trend line right here that I'm expecting the market to trace back to, right? So that is why I'm also looking out for that zone above there. So you can see. I believe you guys understand what I just said. TP1 right here, then you can take a final TP right here. And for if you start shorting, right, you can take your TP, your whole TP, not even TP1, I can just take it right here. If market drops to this zone, then I'll start preparing for the direction of market is going to be giving me signal from, right? So guys, I think that's it. That's it, guys. That is it. That is it. Right. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And I'm very grateful to my 12 subscribers, right? So, but make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when I post another amazing video. See you guys next week.